Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you something interesting. So as you can see, I have purchased this particular item from Quartz Components. So and you see the price is very cheap, so 227 rupees only. So and above 200, the shipping would also be free. So it costs you hardly 245 including taxes. And the interesting part is if you buy it from Quartz Components, you will be getting a 3-meter RGB LED strip along with the controller, with the remote, as well as the SMPS. So all these things is only 227. So and with tax it's 245. So now the interesting thing is why did I purchase it? So actually I purchased it for a home decor. So I have a particular showcase in which I have placed my collectibles, and I wanted it to make it little bit look good, some adding lighting effect and etc. So let me show you what I did. So this is my showcase. So this is altogether a 5-layered one. So the top 3 layers are of glass. So it is covered with glass from 3 sides, so people can see it well. And this side is also a glass. And I have kept all my collectibles over here. So as you can see, different collectibles. So this is my set of collectibles that I have kept. These are the collectibles, and these are the collectibles. So I'll just give you a close look. So the lower section is sort of a religious and the places where I have visited in India and some kind of religious things. The second layer, all kind of international broad travels that I did. So I collected a couple of items and in multiple other destinations within India. So this is the collectibles. And the third one is all my childhood toys that I used to play with. So definitely all these are memories. And I think these things are worth display. So that's the reason I have decorated it well. So what I did is I have used that LED strip. Let me show you how. So as you can see, this is the controller. I have simply drilled it from the back side. If you can see, I have brought in the wire. It is connected well, and it goes to the LED strip over here. I have affixed the LED strip just because it is a glued one, so there is no problem. You can directly affix the strip to it. So this is how I have attached it. Now the point is we need to pull the strip into all the 3 layers, right? So for the 3 layers, what is the possible way out? Is simply what I did is I have drilled in a hole, a small minute hole over here. If you can see, from here I have brought in 3 wires, taped it using the masking tape so that it hides out the wires. The similar goes to the upper one, and the similar goes to the lower one. If you see the lower one is also the same. Yep. So this is what I did. Okay. And if I just show you how the strip is attached. So the strip is attached like this. So that's it. So simple connection. And what I did is to provide power, I have used the adapter. I have used in a DC jack over here, and DC jack goes to a bulb socket. I have used a holder cum plug. So this adapter is readily available in market, worth 20 bucks only. So now all my setup is ready. So that's it. Now let's see it in action. So I have a remote for this one. So this I can control it from my remote. So no worries at all. So now let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, this looks perfect. So I'll just turn on the power. So this is how it looks. Now the interesting part is this is an ambient light. So definitely it's worth looking at night. So I'll just turn off all the tube lights. So this is how it looks. Now let me make it constant. So now this is red, this is green, this is blue, this is white. So now let me take you closer so that you can have a proper look. So this is how it looks, and things are visible quite clearly, you see. And just because the light is coming out from inside, so you won't be getting to see any kind of glass reflection. That's the interesting part. You see, all the color tools are visible quite well. If I give a slowly transition mode, then you will see how it looks. So this is a random transition mode. This is a fade in and fade out. So this will automatically slowly change the colors. It looks really good. It gives you some aesthetic pleasure as well. And definitely, like, people visiting your house would definitely like this, because this gives a complete ambience to your decorables. If you see how this light looks from inside, so this is how it glows. And if I just open it, you see how beautiful things look. And all these things is worth only 245 rupees and little bit of your effort. That's it. Isn't it amazing? So that's it. And like, there are multiple effects within the remote. You can choose anything that you wish to. So, and the interesting part is, like, let's assume I made it white, and slowly if I wish, like, there is a brightness option also, so I can reduce the brightness. So if I just pull down the brightness, see, it will get dimmer. So based on the, like, how much intensity of light you want, you can control that also. Again, I'm increasing the brightness. Yep, now it's the full one, you see. This is how it looks. Isn't it great? These are some simple techniques that you can follow at your home if you are a home decor savvy. And this won't take much of your time. It is a very easy to do DIY thing. So anybody can do it. There is no rocket science inside it. You simply need to just pull down wires and connect the strips directly. That's it. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. I guess you all will be trying.